Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to incorporate your automatic CEO forms into a WordPress blog, since I know a lot of people have this question. And I keep volunteering to help people get this set up. So basically, if you look at my screen here, I have all these different custom forms which you can find under the My Website, the form code generator. And basically you can design whatever form you want. You just check the boxes that you want in your form. Now, something that's very important is you have to have a redirect URL. Now, this is the URL that you want the user taken to. This is the page that you want them taken to after they click the submit button. So it's essentially the landing page that they're taken to, after they click on the submit in the form. And here's the picture of the form. You can see first name, last name, email address. I have read the privacy policy, and then they can submit. Now, see this tracking ID here? Basically, this is just a string of characters, numbers that you can put whatever you want. This is nice. You don't have to have a tracking ID, but I recommend having a tracking ID. That way, when you get the emails from the automatic CEO, you'll know what the person, what form that they filled out. So I find it nice, and you can also search for it in the advanced search options. And then you pick the autoresponder campaign, and this would be, your custom campaign that you set up. And you can see that I created one for a 10-day jumpstart. But you can pick, whatever campaigns that Doug has already created for you, or you could, choose one of your own. And then the contact bin, basically pick whatever you want. In this particular one, I have interested prospect. And then you save the form, and this shows you a picture of what it looks like. What you want to do is you want to click on the copy and use the code. So basically, you want to select it all, copy it all, and then paste it into your WordPress blog. Now, basically, you want to go to your blog, you want to edit it, and that'll take you into the editor. Now, mine's not working, it's just spinning at the moment, but what you would want to do is you cannot use the visual editor. The visual editor actually, oh, there I got an error. The visual editor basically changes the code. So you have to use the HTML editor, and those will be options that you'll find inside of your WordPress blog. Now, all you need to do is when you go into the HTML editor is paste in the code that you got from Automatic CEO, paste it right into your HTML editor. And the part of the HTML code is you'll have to modify it a little bit, because when you look at your page, if you just paste it in, you look at your page, your submit button will be like, a bunch of blank lines. So it'll be halfway down your page, and it won't look right. There'll be a lot of blank spaces. Now, the reason for that is if you look right here, you can see all these input type hidden fields. They're all on separate lines. You can see that there's like a carriage return new line after each input hidden field. Now, what you want to do is you want to take out all those carriage returns and basically just make it one big line. So you can see, right here, you can see basically this is one line. Basically I have input hidden field, all on one big line. What that does is it takes out all the carriage returns so that the form looks right. So basically you can do this cleanup. If you don't want that I agree to the policy, you can take it out. Just, delete those lines from the HTML code. And then, when you look at your form, you'll have something like, just like I have here. Here's my blog, and at the bottom is the form. So when I submit, I can enter my information, enter my email address, hit submit. You should see the redirect window come up. Basically, it's now entering my information into the automatic CEO, and then it takes me to my landing page where it says, thank you, for signing up for my 10-day challenge, information about the challenge, whatever. But at this point, if I go to automatic CEO, obviously I would see the new contact that had signed up for that form, and I'll get an email. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, just message me, but it's pretty simple. As long as you remember, those tips, don't use a visual editor, and